Hello my friends, how are you all? Hope I'll be fine and doing very awesome trading. Today I thought I will be analyze the market online so all guys understand perfect how we draw support and resistance line, how we using support and resistance trend lines and many other things. So it's time to start and I will explain all things support and resistance, trend line, price action, technical and all other things. Okay, you just need to follow my instruction. So let's start the setup. Let me switch off the data and start. Okay, first of all we'll start from M1 time frame. Simply full zoom out your chart. Okay, one time just zoom in. Okay, and now you want to draw support and resistance line, but you don't understand clearly how I draw the support and resistance lines on my M1 chart. So simply here a trick I will explain. Simply choose the line chart. Okay, once you choose the line chart you have to look here. Let's see this one, the arrow. Simply you have to touch these points, touch these points, touch these high and low points using horizontal line for support and resistance. Okay, I will show you to draw. Okay, at first I pick this one and going to drop this on chart. Let's see how I drop on my chart. Okay, let's see here how many points is touching that support line. And look this, that first one, that second one, the third one, and the last is, sorry, this one 4. Okay, that 4 point is touching this horizontal line. Okay, you have to see that one more. Okay, let me draw this one here. Is I'm right? Let me test this. Is yes, no, we are not right here because this is only 1 point. So 1 point is not best, is not a verified support or resistance. Okay, we have to minimum 3 touch, need minimum 3 touch. Okay, we'll go next and see where is the 3. Okay, look, this point also have 2 points, 1 and 2. This also not a confirm support and resistance, so we have to choose little bit down. And look here that this point have 1, 2 and 3, 4 points. So this is a very awesome confirmed support point. So let me show you one more. Not verified, not verified. Place here, it's not verified, but resistance cause market pullback, not verified. Resistance but not verified, and that open resistance, this one. Okay, now it's time to see that not resistance or not support, verified only. Okay, simply click on this point and add one more. Look, all points we have to highlight with using this. Okay, look here how we trade the support and resistance. So simply on M1 chart, look here, you enter an sell trade. Look here, market comes down. Okay, and look here, that markets come down, market broke that support lines. And look here, that market again from this point, and look this, from this point market touched again this resistance. and come down, more down, and also broken this support area, and touch this support area and come back to the resistance. So this is the role of support. Support sometime bounce the market back. Okay, and look here that markets come here because of this support area, because of this support area. Okay, when markets here, okay, once market here, market without any confirmation comes down, and look cross all supports, all supports broken and resistance, and look here a new support, and market touch again and come back to old resistance area, and again market wanna go down, and look here, and now again is want to touch this resistance and maybe pull back and go down. Okay, so let's delete this and switch to M5. This is our M5. So if you wanna draw the support and resistance very perfect way, so simply I will give you an instruction that draw first of all that high and low points on your chart. Look, using this tool, simply high and low, simply high and low point, and really you will understand that all things. Look this one, simply the high and low points, and pick your horizontal lines. That pick here first one, and the second one, third one, it fourth. Catch that all areas support or resistance. Okay, in previous video I also told about this, how we analyze using support, resistance, and technical things. And look here, very awesome buy, and market also did what? Market started going up, okay, and more up, and once market touched this resistance line, market broke this support and come down. Okay, once market broke this support and comes down, and look here, this support not verified, but this support bounced that market back. Once market bounce back, and look, is again touch this resistance area, and a pullback, a fake pullback, a fake pullback, and cause of this resistance, two time market touch this resistance, and again look here, market touch a new resistance area, a new resistance area. Once market touch this new resistance area, this resistance pull back this market again to the support, that old support area, old resistance, and now it's become support. Okay, once market touch this, is bounce back price, and look here, it's also broken that all new and previous support resistance and come to a next level. And look here, once it comes to next level, again that bounce back to old one and test it, because look here, 1 2 and 3 times touch is a tested, and look, once market touch this, again market comes up to this area, and look this high low support resistance. I have this point also clear. Okay, let me move on M15. So this is M15 chart. Again, before draw, choose the high low points and horizontal line chart. Pick the horizontal lines, draw support and resistance. Draw the support and resistance. Okay, must watch that 1 2 3 points need to touch this, so it will be verified. No problem, start touching, you have to draw. Simply we need to show that price momentum. Okay, let me explain the things very well and in right way so you guys understand I want to say what and what I mean to say. Okay, look these points. Let me choose candlestick chart. Okay, and look here, an uptrend, a buy signal, and using support and resistance how we trade. Market started going up from this point, a trend continues from this point, and look here, market go up. Okay, but before going up, market had touched this level and sometime retrace this area and will back to this resistance. Okay, and again a market wanna go up, so from this level, once market little bit retraced, market goes up to a new high and a new support and new resistance. Okay, and the market also touched this fake, and look here, and once market touched this point again, look this point with arrow highlight. Once market touched this point, market wanna go more up because the bullish trend is a strong trend. And look here, market again started going up. Okay, and again price stop little bit here and retrace the fake pullback of reversal candles, but this is a fake reversal candles. Okay, and look here, again that market once broke this resistance, market started going in his direction up, and once come there it touched to resistance and also 3 times and comes back. Once come back again, market pull back from support area, and look here, and once touch this new resistance and broke on old support. Look here, market comes a little bit down to this level and market started going up. So look here how easy using support and the resistance trading, very awesome tool. And look here, draw your trend lines and see I was right or wrong. 3 touches. and look how things working. Okay, delete this and move on. M30. Now it's time to one time zoom in. See the clear picture. Choose the horizontal lines. Draw the support and resistance. Okay. Support and the resistance. Verified or non-verified support and resistance. Highlight all areas because we have to predict price movement. Okay, next one. Okay, that bullish trend started going up from this point, and same look here. Market started going up, waited here and come down a little bit, and once market touch this, again come up, and look here. A little bit touch this point, and market went again up, and look up, and again touch this, little bit down, and look here. It's come down, and look this. Very awesome. Look here, my all clear points using support and resistance. So you simply draw support and resistance and highlight the high low of trend areas. You will understand clearly all things, the direction of price and the direction of trend, and all things will be really very awesome. In cool direction will be clear, and you will trade with more confidence. Let me delete this. We started from M1, M15, M13. Now it's time to H1. H1 is a real image of trend. And look here. So as you all guys understand on support and the resistance, how we trade, how draw, and how we use. So now it's time to show you some technical things. Okay, that look here, this point that market is, draw the trend lines. Look here, draw the trend lines and see the live picture of price movement. Okay, look here, very awesome and clear cause market touched many times this point. Look here, support of trend line and bounce back, support of trend line and market bounce back, support of trend line and market pull back, and now is going again to touch this, here also pull back, and look this point, resistance trend line, resistance trend line. So we confirmed that market will go up cause we seen that market is following the trend line, is going up. Okay, so this is the power of trend lines. Look here, trend lines give us clear picture that market will go where, cause trend line is also a support and resistance. You just need to remember that support and resistance in thousands of shape. If you draw the high and low is also support and resistance. If you choose a horizontal line is also support and resistance. If you choose the trend line is also support and resistance. Okay, let me show you some more things of technical. Let's pick the trend line and highlight that next one. Look here. That once market started going up, look, a wave started from this point and market comes to this point. That wave is end here, and look also a reversal candle of candlestick patterns, and market pull back and again touch this support area of trend line, and again this wave pull back, and look here a reversal candle and also touch the resistance of trend line and pull back, and look comes there, and also one more time a pull back and touch this point, the third confirmation, and again pull back, and once pull back from this point market broke this area, and look here a new way, clear that once breakout happened we have to wait for a reversal candle or a trend or our moving average strategy. Okay, once market started going up from this point, so simply draw up and low support and resistance lines. Okay, once you done support and resistance line, you will see that price is going where. And look here, technical help us how to catch things. Very easy and simple picture. Also give you the volume of price and that high low and support resistance, that wave size, that price momentum, and all things very easy in a clear picture. Also look these points, touch this point and see. In big picture, it's called a big picture. A big picture. And look here, marquee, touch this big picture. So let me change the color. No, I did wrong. Let me change the color. Okay, look this big picture, this arrow. Okay, and once market is started and a big picture comes here to this point, look this point. Look this wave point. Let me capture. Okay, and market started again going up. Look, and touch this point, and bounce back to previous support, old support area. And look here how things happen using support and resistance. I hope all guys get my point. And once market comes to this point, and look how market started going up. Look here, it broke out. Look here, is break. And what will be next? Also we seen using these trend lines. Now I hope this will be clear to you. The technical support, resistance and price action power give you an awesome way to trade. Let me delete all things and move on. H4. Simply support and resistance we learned, and now see something on big screen. Look here. The waves. How we predict the price? It will be go where? There is no any magic. All thing is knowledge. Okay. From support to resistance. And look here. Support resistance. Support to resistance. Resistance support. Support to resistance. To support. Support, resistance, breakout and gone up. And it comes from here. Let me draw the trend line. Look here, trend lines showing us look how easy to predict the price, that price momentum. Very easy, really very easy trading. Look here, trend line, one more trend line, look here. Very awesome and very easy. Using trend lines you will understand all things clearly. So this is very awesome thing. Also follow the price action also, as I told you in previous video, that M and W pattern is very awesome thing. Find on M5, no problem. M15, no problem. M30, H1, H4. How we trade using M and W pattern? Always remember W for buy, M for sale. As I told in previous video, let me delete all things. Okay. M5 have thousands M and W patterns, and M15 also. So let me move on M15. Look here, how much? Again and again, many pips of scalping using M and W chart pattern. Let's see on M13. Look here, how much pips using M and W. Look here, how many times? You wanna see? Look here, a simple example of M and W. Let me show you the things. First leg, second one, a clear neckline, double top, reversal, and clear image of M. Look here. Entry point, take profit, stop loss. How is it trading the M and W? Look here, how many times market draw this M and W? Look this one. Look here. Look this. Look this. Look how many times market draw. Look here. A clear picture. If you don't know how to draw and predict this, simply use moving average, two, done. Choose the black and let's see the M and W. Okay, now that market will show you the M and W. Look this area, a W. And look this area, clear things. Look here, and clear M. Look this area, is using this moving average, clear W. Clear W. Look here, and clear M using this moving average. No need to draw, just predict with this. One more M. I do scalping using this M and W. Look here, how many things I told you. Look this, M and W. How we trade M and W, watch my previous video how we analyze the market, you will understand. Look, very awesome W. Down, up, neckline, down, and target, and look how much this W buy. So I hope all guys understand, and this video also help you a lot of how to draw support and resistance, how we use trading support and resistance, and that using trend line, price action based at MW, and all things will be clear. If you still have any question, so please contact me and feel free ask anything. You do trade with confidence. Our aim is to make you a profitable trader. Thanks for watching. See you very soon.